I'm Tara Davis with Chesapeake Bay Magazine, here with John Johnson, Creative Spaces. I thought we were talking about kitchens today, John, but we're at the lumber yard. What's going on?
Surprise! No, so actually we are here at 84 Lumber in Arnold, Maryland today, and we wanted to come here because this is one of our favorite showrooms and designer for kitchen cabinets. So we are looking at kitchen cabinets, but let me tell you, 84 Lumber's brand new showroom is not your typical cabinetry showroom. And I also like Helena, who has shown me that she works with my clients so well because she listens to what they really, really want and need from their kitchen. So I tell you what, there's a lot of kitchen talk we need to be doing, and it's chilly out here. You want to go in?
I do. I'm excited.
Cool.
Talk kitchens.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm John Johnson, owner of Creative Spaces Remodeling. We provide design-build services for large-scale, luxury remodeling projects and ground-up custom homes.
John, this is an absolutely gorgeous showroom. I was not expecting this. And this is exciting. I love talking kitchens. The kitchen is the heartbeat of my home, and I know it's the heartbeat of so many other homes. You have some very important people to introduce me to.
I sure do. Let me do that right away. So we have Helena and we have Joanne with us. They're the two designers. Yep, here at 84 Lumber. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a deep dive on different topics with cabinetry. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to unravel the mystery of what makes cabinets, some of them less expensive and some of them more expensive. So we're going to walk you around and show you how that all happens.
Can't wait. Let's go.
Yay, great.
Thank you. All right, so Helena, these are all of the cabinet options. Walk me through everything that we need to know.
Okay. We have stock lines of cabinets. These are two lines, the Mantra and the Wolf Classic. Both of them, you have just the door styles that are available here in finishes. We then go into what you call semi-custom lines. The semi-custom lines are going to encompass a lot of things, from ones that come within a few weeks to those who take a couple of months to come in. And that's just going to vary on door styles, finishes, availability, and what you can do in each of the line. Then you move into custom lines. With custom lines, you can build in all kinds of options, sizes, accessories. You could make into furniture. This crystal line, you can actually send them the wood and they will build your cabinets out of barn wood if you wanted.
That's such a cool option.
So Tara, there's different types of cabinetry. This is framed boxes, framed cabinetry. So there's a face frame on the front of the cabinet, and this is an example of a inset door and a beaded inset door. So the frame is actually beaded and then the door sits inside.
Okay.
And then we have our custom line. This is where you can kind of build anything. Typically, like with tall cabinets, you're not allowed to do, you have to have like a support beam at some place. This is one big door
More lighting.
that's been battened together,
Yeah.
so they could build just about anything that you need. This also is an example of a beaded inset, but the bead here is much smaller, more refined. And then the design process, we sit down at the computer and we put in your walls, windows, doors, and then pick a line and lay it all out and see it in 3D.
Well, John, I'm ready to design my new kitchen.
Wonderful. Did you learn a lot?
I've learned so much. The inlays, the overlays, all the different options, and the cool accessories that go into the cabinets.
It's
I
amazing.
need those in my life.
Yes, you do. It's amazing what we can do these days. Basically, if you can think it, dream it, we can build it. So in cabinetry, really, yes, it's so important to the kitchen because it's the heartbeat of a home. But it extends beyond that. You can do mudroom cabinets for all the kids coming home from school, that kind of thing. You can do laundry room cabinets. You can do vanity cabinets. So it's endless what we can do. So, really what I like to let my clients know is that, look, if you've got ideas and dreams and wishes, you can come to us and we're going to help you turn the ordinary into extraordinary.
All right. I can't wait till the next time.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. I hope you found it inspiring. Contact us now so we can help you turn your ordinary home into an extraordinary home. I'm John Johnson.